guys, NASCAR Racing 18 here. We are back with some more diecast unboxing. We have from the Disney Pixar Cars, a next generation racer, Dan Carcia, who is a next generation racer of Gasket, number 80. On the back are more next gens. Let's get Dan Carcia out of this box. So we have Dan Carcia. So here's Dan Carcia. He's number 80. The Gaskets logo on here. Now we have Rex Revler, who is the veteran racer of the Gaskets. The one difference is that Dan Carcia is mostly blue and yellow, while Rex has red, blue, and yellow. Dan Carcia has blue and yellow. Oh, I think that's what I said. Not as well, the 80 on the side aren't that big, and they're blue, but Dan Carcia has yellow number 80 as well. So basically, Rex has red, and Dan Carcia does not have any red at all. But also, the new Gaskets logo. Instead of having, the full logo as well, they decided to put a G for Dan Carcia. He has the rookie stripes. He appeared in the movie, I think maybe either the LA 500 or the Florida 500, since I have no idea when Rex left the sport. Left the Piston Cup, I mean. Also, there's the Gaskets side here, which is really small. It also has the blue rims as well with the tires, with the next generation tires. And another G on the back for Gaskets. And that's about it. Well, guys, thanks for watching this episode, and more will be out soon. Thanks for watching.